Let's talk about using templates. They are powerful because you can copy all of a template or only part of it. Thus, you can speed the build of your app by borrowing ideas and elements from several different templates. So let's use templates to build an app. Here I'm in a new app that has 0 content, and I'm going to tap the App Templates button. I will see 3 templates, and I can navigate 1 frame at a time or 3 templates at a time through all the templates on the platform. Or I have 3 navigation fields at the top of the screen. I can enter the ID or URL of a template app if I know that ID or URL. I can filter by tag, including customs tags. Maybe I've entered tags for my company, etc. Or I can choose a pre-designated tag. So we've got categories of tags pre-designated. And let's say I'm looking for a digital business card. I might choose the DBC category, and then I can scroll through sample digital business cards. As I mouse over each of these templates, I have 2 options. I can try it or I can load the template. Try it launches the actual app. These templates are all live apps. So in this example, I see a contact menu for the person's card. I see a lead form, and I see a series of portfolio image links. I can then back up and say, well, that's not the template that I want. Let me try this template. This is closer to what I want. This template has employee information and then company information. So it's got employee contact information, save my V card, a contact form, and then information standard to all the employees in a company. If that's the template that I want, I then load the template. I now have 5 options once I've loaded a template. I can copy the app in its entirety. I can copy only the color theme of the app. I can copy the app styling. So this includes the header image, the background image, the colors, the text, etc. I can copy only the actions. So I would copy none of the styling of the app if I did this. I would copy all the actions, though. Or I can copy selected actions. So if I choose this option, it shows me all the actions in the app. And if I wanted to only copy this menu because I liked this menu, I would just move it to copy, and then I see inside this menu I have a call action, an email action, and a link action. I could choose to copy these 3, and then if I hit apply, it would just copy this single action over into my app. But what I'm going to do is copy the entire app. So I will hit apply, and now I have a complete app. Let's say I don't like that color style. I can go back to templates, choose color options. I can look through different apps for color options until I see a color that I like. Let's say I want to try this color. I can load the template, apply only the color theme, and now I've copied that color theme over to my app. So I've got the basic structure of my app. I've got the color theme of my app. And now I just open this menu, change the existing phone number for my phone number, change the existing email address for my email address, change the LinkedIn link, change the profile image, and in a few minutes I've got this app completed. So using templates is a very quick and easy way to create a new app. Thank you.